Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up headphones or microphones on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, it is very simple. At first, what you need to do is just go to your search, and in your search bar, just type for settings. Then just open up the settings app. After that, just maximize this. Then just go to the system. From here, you'll find sound on the left-hand menu. Just click on sound. Here, you'll find both your output and input devices. From the list, make sure your proper output device is selected. Do the same thing for your proper input device. And at the top, under output, make sure the master volume is set to something suitable for you. It is basically the sound of your speakers or headphones. Then, you can also click on device properties in input. From here, you can adjust the sound of the mic as well. Also, make sure it's not disabled. And you can go ahead and do other settings from manage devices as well. You can change other settings from here. And that's basically it. And that is how to set up a microphone or headphone on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.